Hello, amazing students, and welcome back to Dr. Shorov's classes. If you are planning to study in Turkey, you have probably heard this name TOMER, but what exactly it is? Well, today I'll explain everything you need to know about the TOMER Turkish Language Proficiency Test, what it is, who needs it, how it's structured, and most importantly, how our coaching can help you pass it easily and confidently. It's the official Turkish language proficiency examination conducted by the several Turkish universities and most notably Ankara University's TOMER Center. If you are an international student aiming for a Turkish taught program, whether it's medicine, engineering, economics or arts, you must show that you can understand and use the Turkish effectively, and that's where the TOMER certificate comes in. Without it, even if you qualify the YOS or the university entrance examinations, your admission might be delayed until you complete your Turkish proficiency. The TOMER examination follows the CEFR structure, that's the Common European Framework for the language levels, and it includes the 6 levels A1 and A2 for the beginners, B1 and B2 for intermediate, C1 and C2 for the advanced. And most universities, B2 is the minimum requirement to start the academic classes. Now, this examination tests 4 main skills: reading, writing, listening and speaking. Each section is carefully designed to assess the real communication skills, not rote memorization. So you will face the short paragraphs, grammar-based questions, dialogues and role-based speaking tasks. You will receive the scores for each section and you need to score around 60 to 70% to pass your target level. The TOMER certificate is valid for 2 years, and once you reach the C1 level, you are officially recognized as fluent in Turkish. This opens the door not just for university admission but also internships, part-time jobs and even the permanent residency opportunities. At Dr. Shorov's classes, we have designed specialized course for the TOMER preparation that focuses on building both language fluency and the exam technique. Our program includes daily vocabulary and grammar sessions, listening practice using the real Turkish audio and videos, speaking drills with interactive conversation training, mock TOMER tests that simulate real exam conditions, and personalized feedback after every test to help you improve faster. So, if you are dreaming of studying in Turkey, then enroll now.